Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion channel coming back again with another unboxing video. You guys already know this is the 3232 Japan model, which stand for the DW-6900 model. So we have this only in Japan warranty card. This is actually an entry card for if you guys want to try, just enter this number over here. This is it, Military Black. Let's switch perspective now and get a closer look on this piece. So everything is here is all black. That is all, like nothing much to talk about. It's all black, and at the same time, because of it, it gives this watch a stealth look to it, and at the same time as well, a military vibes. I mean, military always need to be stealthy and really easy and straight to the point. Feels really smooth over here. Just Casio down here, simple white, and that is all. Look at this compared to this other model that I got over here. Look at this. Totally different, a lot of complication on here, and this thing however, like nothing. I have one tip for you guys if you want to check what this thing does, and so you won't miss any of these what I call functions that this watch has. One way to do it is by going through the screen test. To do it, you need to press adjust and mode and the split reset button at the same time. 1, 2, 3, there it is. So this is the screen test for this watch. From here you could straight away tell they have this split auto over here, and this is the flash alert symbol, and P or AM for PM, and 24-hour signal or alarm. So that is all that you could tell from the watch. If you don't turn this thing on, you're probably not gonna know that this watch has a what I call auto or signal there. That's totally simple. You don't even know if this watch have a flash alert on it. Press adjust one. First thing that we have is second change. Press mode, we could change the hour, the minutes if the watch didn't shows accurate time, and the year, the month, and the day. From at timekeeping mode, if you press this light button down here in the middle, you can switch between 12-hour and 24-hour system. So I'm gonna use 24-hour system, so a lot easier for me to explain to you guys. And that is all that you could do from here. So press adjust and we are set. Next thing is for this flash alert over here. To turn it on, you need to press start or stop there and hold it, and that's the beeping sound for it. So flash alert on. Flash alert is basically when this thing rings, when alarm turn on or the timer runs out, it will beep at the same time flash some backlight, synchronizing with the sound. So we'll get to the after. At mode, first thing is alarm. This is the month, this is day of the week that you want the alarm to be sound. This is now at 000, so I think this is 12 midnight. We only have one alarm, and to operate it is by start or stop. To switch, press it once, and there I can switch it on right that, and signal on or not, and alarm both on. So for now I'm gonna switch all of these on. To adjust it, of course, press adjust there. Wait. It's pretty hard to press actually. You can switch the hour, minute, day, and for the date. Alright, that is all. I'm not gonna set anything for the alarm. Next we're gonna have mode back. Press mode to go to alarm, and next we'll go to timer functions. At timer function mode, at the same time we will display the current local time, which is 4 minutes. So you will be notified at the same time while using this function, so it's all fine. Try to set this thing to about 6 seconds only, not gonna waste any time here, and start and see how this flash function works. 3, 2, 1, there it is. Need to just cover it up. There it is. You can see that sound there. This beeping will continue, I think about 10 or 20 seconds, so press any button to stop it. At timer mode, you could also do another thing, which is that auto thing that we saw on now. There it is. Press light button down here to switch it on after you press the adjust button, of course. There it is, auto. This means this timer will continue going for loops. So let's give a quick demonstration here. Auto on and start. You could tell when the times run out, it will continue back on a loop. Repeat again at 6 seconds while still beeping. There it is. The beep will stop right away, of course, because the time is going on. So they're going on a loop again, loop and loop. Depends how many seconds, minutes, or hours you want to set it up. So There it is again. Okay, done. Next we have the, okay, we're gonna go back timekeeping mode each time we use any functions. So stopwatch, from a stopwatch they just have this split reset, so this is where you could use this function up here. So start or stop and split, will record the data and all, and continue again, and split, record the data and all, start or earn, continue again, start, stop, and reset. There it is. Alright, down on the stopwatch function, press mode will go back to timekeeping mode again, press all the way again, and bam, bam. Alright, that's all for the functions that this watch has to offer. To recap everything, I switch on the test screen again so we can see the alarm signals. So 24 piece, split, auto, I already cover everything out. So we are good to go on these functions. Next is the backlight for this model. Since they have this negative display for it, I mean, this is not dark actually. If you turn the backlight on, it's gonna show like this dark blue LCD to it. So the backlight will only last for about 2 seconds. You cannot set for how long you're gonna switch on. However, if you keep pressing the buttons, the backlight will keep being on as you keep pressing it. So I'm just going to show you now. There, hold it. You can tell from the seconds counter there, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30, there, so there it is. So you can basically hold it for how long that you need to tell the time or any information that you want from the watch. It's really convenient actually, even though this model don't have any what they call these auto-like functions like this watch as well. This watch use the auto-like function based on the current local time. Unlike this guy over here, just look at it, man. Like totally different thing over here, even though they're just 6900 model. I think that is how Casio reduced the cost on making this and makes this available at a really cheap price to only 12,090 yen actually. The cheapest 6900 model with really high quality material. Alright, let's get to this band, the special things about the watch that I got over here. It came with these two adapter. Casio didn't sell this adapter alone. You need to buy a watch, any sort of Casio watch to get this part, or just bought it from any third-party company at all. This part alone will be very useful because you can plug it off and plug it in on this model as well, and still able to use this Cordura nylon, so called it Cordura fabric. This fabric is made by a company called Invista, really huge company in making fabric for military wear, high quality luggage bag or footwear. I mean, things that's durable and made to last a long time. This is Casio making G-Shocks for the watch, and this is Invista making Cordura fabric. Like, in a way, this is sort of like collaboration models between two huge companies, even though they didn't name it so. Two type of layer over there, some black and lighter black color, and these holes here they put this stainless steel, I guess, or aluminum for the buckle. And if you look close enough on the sides there, you can tell they have this stitching in black all the way down and around here, all the way up. So they didn't just all the way goes and cut it or just burn this part too. They actually made it per one band. This stitching is made for this 2-layer band. The upper part will be the Cordura nylon, like almost 2mm thickness, and this part is really thick. This part is smooth as I running my fingers right here. However, if I running my fingers alongside with this stripes pattern you've got here, it's really hear by the sound actually. So this part gonna give a huge grip. You actually need to feel by yourself. So smooth on top, and downside feels really grip. This will be the upper part, same as well. This type of strap is called the Zulu strap for the Switch watch world, if I'm not mistaken. There, 2 band keeper, and of course, one more thing they need to add. Of course, the Casio Thailand engraved on that, so you know this is a high quality material, not just some random watch band that Casio bought and just added on the watch. You know, they actually make effort on making this. So you can see the stitching down there as well, and this part and over here. I think they glued it together and then they sewn it. Makes this part feels really hard, and there you can tell the stitching there. It fits really nice. This thing there is not gonna fall on its own because the fit of the stitching there really hold this part together. Stainless steel material there. And alright, need to look at the backplate, but before that I'm just going to show you guys this part. The DW-6900BBN-1JF only EF backlight and 20 bar water resist G-Shock. Really simple watch. Like, this is all the functions that it have. I mean, not a lot at all. This is, I believe, will be really perfect for gift for anyone who just starting out to G-Shocks, or you have anyone who you want to introduce G-Shock to. This watch is the way for it. It has a really great fit. We'll get to that. 3230 DW-6900BBN stainless steel made in China, and of course still have this Casio Japan quality to it. I could just remove this watch band and just use it on any other watch that I have in my collection, even on a Switch watch. Probably, I'm not sure how much this size is. I'm gonna try it out probably on a separate video, because this video alone is gonna be a lot longer than I expected. Alright, let's put it on. And oh, this part is really thin, and it kind of worries me that the first thing that is gonna break on this watch is this joint part over here. I'm not sure how long this thing gonna last. Alright, let's have a quick wrist check. Let's put it on and conclude the video. Just look at this. I didn't even wear it all the way up here. It's already give me a great fit. Just look at it usually from this angle there. No gap at all between this side and all the way down. I think I might need to wear it at holes number 4 from on top. This thing, the fit of this is too great actually. It's like totally hug my wrist. I feel it's not comfortable on it, but depending on your style, I usually wear my watch loose. So even though I wear it loose, let's just look at it, still have a great fit. And because of this bottom layer here has this grip to it, you're not gonna have this annoying feels of this watch slipping down your wrist when you wear it loose. So you're still gonna be very breathable, at the same time give a great fit and feels tough actually. I really recommend this for you guys, or anyone who just starting out into G-Shock. So this is one watch for you guys to start with. All black, simple watch, like totally simple. You can easily learn how to use this or wear this on your daily basis. And even one more thing, if you don't like this watch, you can just remove the band and use it on other watches as well. So still gonna give a same great fit as well on a very useful model such as this one. The only downside for this model is that the thing that I could think of is that this adapter over here, they have a really weak joint down there, so you're probably gonna break it if you do something tough or hard work. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure how tough this thing is. This thing is still new to me as well. So that's all for this video. It's getting a lot longer than I expected. More unboxing videos as well incoming for more. I think next will be for a GA big case model. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Keep the support coming. I aim to reach at least 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm very sure we're gonna make it happen though. Until then, this is G-Shock High Fashion Channel, and I'm out of here.